Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check data source details in Power BI. This is incredibly useful when you need to verify where your data is coming from or troubleshoot any connection issues. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your Power BI desktop application. Once you have it up and running, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several options. Look for and click on Transform Data. This button is your gateway to the Power Query Editor, where all the magic happens behind the scenes with your data connections and transformations. After clicking Transform Data, a new window will open up. This is the Power Query Editor interface, and it might look a bit different from the main Power BI desktop window you're used to. Don't worry though, it's designed to give you deeper access to your data manipulation and source settings. The window may take a moment to fully load, especially if you're working with large data sets, so just give it a second to populate completely. Now that you're in the Power Query Editor, shift your focus to the right side of the screen. Here you'll see a panel labeled Query Settings. This panel is essential because it shows you all the configurations and transformations applied to your selected query. Within this Query Settings panel, look for a section called Applied Steps. This section lists every single transformation that's been applied to your data in the order they were performed. Under Applied Steps, you'll notice an entry labeled Source. This is the very first step in your data transformation process and represents your original data connection. Right next to the word Source, you'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This action will reveal the fundamental details about your data source, including the server name, database, and other connection parameters that Power BI is using to fetch your data. But if you need even more comprehensive information, there's an additional option available. Click on Advanced. This will expand the view and show you more detailed settings and configurations related to your data source. You'll be able to see advanced connection strings, authentication methods, and other technical specifications that might be crucial for troubleshooting or documentation purposes. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your data source details in Power BI, giving you complete visibility into where your information is coming from and how it's connected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.